Dear students, this is lecture number 33 in supply chain management. Let us discuss the questions of the last lecture. The first question is, name the three macro processes in supply chain. The answer is CRM, Customer Relationship Management, ISCM, Internal Supply Chain Management. Third one, SRM, Supplier Relationship Management. Second question is, supply chain is not a zero sum game. True or false? This statement is true because zero sum game means profit of one unit depends on the loss of other units. But in real time, supply chain does not operate in this method because the profitability or supply chain surplus is completely depends on the performance of all the units put together. So, supply chain is not a zero sum game. Third question, Dash is baseline for IT framework in supply chain management. The answer is Transaction Management Foundation, TMF. Let us see the first macro process in supply chain management, that is CRM, Customer Relationship Management. The CRM macro process consists of processes that take place between an enterprise and its customers downstream in the supply chain. That means the CRM process starts with the manufacturer and it goes downstream up to the customers. So that means manufacturers to wholesalers, wholesalers to distributors, distributors to retailers, then finally it goes to customers. The goal of the CRM macro process is to generate customer demand and facilitate transmission and tracking of orders. So CRM should create demand for the products and then transmission of products from manufacturer to till the customers and tracking of the orders placed by the customers. Weakness in this process results in demand being lost and a poor customer experience because orders are not processed and executed effectively. So, we have to strengthen the macro process CRM with the help of information technology to process and execute the orders effectively and efficiently in order to increase the demand for the products and also to have better customer experience in the supply chain management system. The key processes under CRM are as follows. First one is marketing. Marketing processes involve decisions regarding which customers to target, how to target customers, what products to offer, how to price products, and how to manage the actual campaigns that target customers. So, marketing is the important process in creating demand for the products. So, we should know the customers to whom we are going to provide the product and what is the way to reach them and what kind of products to provide so that we can attract the customers and what is the right price for the products and managing the actual campaigns to reach the customers. Good information technology systems in the marketing area within CRM provides analytics that improve the marketing decisions on pricing, product profitability, and customer profitability among other functions. So the information technology will help in this process by providing data analytics on the particular product or customers or even about the competitors, so that the company can take marketing decisions on positioning the product and pricing the product and deciding the profit for the product, so that to reach more and more customers. The next process in CRM is sell. The sell process focuses on making an actual sale to a customer, whereas in marketing, the processes are focused on planning whom to sell and what to sell. The sell process includes providing the sales force with the information it needs to make a sale and then also to execute the actual sale. So the sell process focus on executing the actual sale to a customer. Executing the sale may require the salesperson or the customer to build and configure orders by choosing among a variety of options and features. In each product category, the company may provide a lot of options and features to satisfy the customers in terms of product availability to match the customer's expectations. The sale process also requires such functionality as the ability to quote due dates and access information related to a customer order. When customer places an order, the customer should be aware of the due date before that the product is to be delivered to the customer's place. For example, if you place an order for the product through Amazon or Flipkart, so you will get the probable date of delivery, so that customer will be satisfied that his product will come to his place within these 3 days or 4 days or like that. Good IT systems support Salesforce automation, configuration, and personalization to improve the sale process. So, the information technology plays a vital role in automating the sales process and creating configuration for the products as per the needs of customers. That is, customer can configure the products as per his needs. And personalization, so we can have personalized various offers or features or details based on individual customers. For example, if a customer is having keen interest on buying books on particular topic, for example science fiction, then the Amazon or Flipkart may send personalized mails to the particular customer whenever a new book is released on the topic science fiction. Nowadays, IT systems will use the features of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning to understand the needs and interests of customers, so that it can easily personalize the details to the particular customer, and all these things are to improve the sale process. The next one in CRM macro process is order management. The process of managing orders as they flow through an enterprise is important for the customer to track his order and for the enterprise to plan and execute order fulfillment. Once the customer places an order with the company, the customer should be able to track his order to know the status of the order, and also the company also needs the information of order immediately. Then only it can plan to execute the order and also the delivery of the products will take place in right time. So this process ties together demand from the customer with the supply from the enterprise, because we have to match the demand and the supply. So good IT systems enable visibility of orders across the various stages that an order flows through before reaching the customer. So the information technology in this stage, it helps the visibility of orders. That means the order information is known to the all the stages of supply chain system, and how the order flows from downstream to upstream, and again how the product delivery takes place from upstream to downstream. So everything is transparent and it is known to the customer and also the people inside the company, so that it provides clear visibility of the execution of orders, and both customers and company are satisfied with the performance of the supply chain system. This is completely provided by the information technology. For example, if you place an order for a product in the company, nowadays the IT systems support that company for sending the status of the customer's order through mail or SMS on daily basis, so that customer is also satisfied as he knows what is the status of the order. The firm or company also plan for the perfect delivery of the products and also to match the demand with the supply of the products. The next step in CRM, customer relationship management, is call service center. This is very important in terms of providing customer satisfaction and also improving the goodwill of the company among the customers. A call service center is often the primary point of contact between a company and its customers. So the customer finds it is easier and comfortable to contact the company through call service center. A call service center helps the customers place orders, suggest products, solves problems, and provides information on order status. So whatever the requirement of the customer can contact the call service center, so that he'll come to know the product variety or product availability to match his requirements, and how customer can place the order, and what is the status of the order which is already placed, and if there is any problem in the product already purchased or any problem in the order, that can also be rectified, or to let the company know the status. All these things happens through call service center. So good information technology systems help the call center operations to improve and also facilitate and reduce the work done by the customer service representatives by routing customers to representatives who are best suited to service their request. So the IT systems will help the call center to operate very effectively, so that customers can be asked to contact correct representatives who are having expertise in solving particular kind of problems. The five largest CRM software providers, as reported by Gartner, a company which is specialized in surveys, in 2008, SAP 22.5%, Oracle 16.1%, Salesforce.com 10.6, Microsoft 6.4, and Amdocs 4.9. So these are all the companies are providing software for CRM, customer relationship management. Let us see how CRM software helped the Amazon to achieve a very great growth in e-commerce industry. If you see the growth of Amazon, Amazon ventured into online book selling business in 1994, and today it is the largest retailer in the world and selling all kinds of products required in our day-to-day life. The CRM software in Amazon focus on the following issues. The first one, collection of data. Whenever a new customer is entering into the Amazon web portal, it collects the data about the customers and then it stores the data, that is personal data storage. That means whenever a customer is logged into the system or Amazon and about his purchases, about his interest and past transaction, so everything is stored in the server. You think about the data size because millions of users are using every day. The Amazon stores all these details, including payment methods, how the users are paying money for the products. So everything is stored in the server. Based on this past transaction, the CRM software will provide recommendation for the customers in terms of products, delivery mechanisms, and payment methods. So Amazon will provide recommendations for all these things based on past transaction and history. Above all, Amazon has got a very good user interface for all these functionalities so that customer will find it user friendly and comfortable to use the Amazon web portal. Finally, CRM software is very much helpful in customer support in terms of tracking the customer's order and any return of products if any problem in the product and status of the order at any point of time and satisfaction survey. So all these things will help for customer support in Amazon. Amazon provides easy to understand user interface with high quality images, accurate descriptions about the product, clearly visible prices and ratings, neatly organized categories of products, and a seamless checkout process for purchasing the products. These facilities will make the customers comfortable whenever they log into the Amazon web portal for purchasing the products. The role of CRM software in Amazon's growth is very vital and important, and of course, for any business also. Students, answer for these questions.